Catherine, counterphobic and phobic 6. Like this is like an interesting thing. I don't know like why and they're almost like different types.
They're not really. And I'll tell you why, because underneath that, just like with the tritypes, it's still the same passion, fixation, and conviction. But the phobic goes, whoa, whoa, and they try to avoid it. And the sexual, because of the higher velocity, and both are feeling adrenaline, but the adrenaline gets the phobic 6 to pull away. But it'll be their tritypes that's determining if they're phobic or counterphobic. But the counterphobic 6 will have 8 in their tritype or 1 with another strong type. And they can't stand the adrenaline, so they go into it to get it over with. But they're still triggered by the same thing. And that's the same, and that's why I came up with countertypes, because the stacking of the 3 instincts reveal the atypical combinations. So that's why there was one type that's the stereotype, matches the early description of the types. And one seems like, wow, that can't be, a type. But it's just the core fear of the type with the core fear of the instinct produces this odd thing, like at the beginning. Like a lot of times people don't realize that I'm an 8. And we also have visual examples. And if all of us go back to when we're about 5 and the onset of puberty, and then when we're into puberty, we'll see clearly the archetype of the face. And it's huge. Like, yeah, like the 8 in repose looks angry. And so it's very different than a 3 in repose, because even in repose, the 3 will have a little mouth that sort of turns up, or the 7, whereas the 8 has a straight mouth or the down mouth. And you can only really see it when someone doesn't know their picture's being taken.